70 Monte Carlo SS with a 632, 396 big block Camaro, and a 63 Corvair Greenbrier. It's a lot of stuff to look at today. Hey, it's Ed with Slow Car Fix, and I'm gonna take this 63 Greenbrier that I've had kicking around here. It's been hanging around like a bad smell. Kick it out of here and drop it off to my friend Greg's place, and have a look at a couple things he's got going on over there. The Greenbrier, nice project for somebody. It will be available for sale. It's a very solid truck, needs a bit of work, but it will be sold running and driving and stopping. Hit me up, slowcarfixoutlook.com if you are interested in that. Let's get at it. All right, this is the thing I got to get hooked up to my truck right now, and I got to get this over to my buddy Greg's shop. And I don't know if I'm going to leave him the trailer. I might just leave him the whole trailer. This trailer's getting rough. It's getting a little holy. Oof. And some boards are getting rotten. It is time for an overhaul. This needs to get done sort of soon. I use this thing a lot, so I need to really get on it. I'm gonna get this hooked up, get driving over to Greg's. All right, I'm hooked on. I've got this 63 Greenbrier behind me. This is my buddy Tyson's van. He's had it for a few years, I think actually 7 or 8 years, and it's time for it to move on. It hasn't run in probably 5 years, but did run quite well before. I don't have time to do some work on it, so I'm going to bring it over to my friend Greg's shop, and they are going to drain the tank, flush the tank, and get it running, or at least make an attempt at it. So if you've watched any of my other videos, you've seen I've included a shop in there that I take my cars to for exhaust work, for a once over, because like they're the real mechanics, right? I'm just doing this for fun. So they're looking at this stuff every day. So my good friend Greg owns Classic Auto Repair in Lindsay. I'm going to Ontario. I'm going to take you there now and have a look at 2 cars that he's got. One of them might be familiar if you've seen some of my other videos. Okay, so I'm back. The Greenbrier's dropped off. It's at Greg's shop. I went for a nice little rip in his Monte. It's a 70 Monte Carlo. It's done up as a 454 SS clone, but it was originally a 350 car. He bought it. It had a pretty nasty, I think it was a 572 big block in it, and now it has a 632 that he just put in it. He has the rev limiter. He told me, he said he's got the rev limiter dialed down to 5,500 RPMs because he's still just put miles on it. So it was pretty impressive. It's got a gear vendor's overdrive, so it drives just down the street like it just cruises along with 411 gears, just like a regular car, but with the 1475 Holley, I think it's a Dominator carburetor, 1475 CFM. He's not getting the greatest mileage. The 70-ish Camaro that's in there, if you've watched some of my other videos, you'll see I did a barn tour of a friend of mine's collection. If you watched real close in my videos, there was a 62 Pontiac convertible that lived here for a little while that I did some work on. I just did some cosmetic stuff on it. It got wheeled and dealed, and there was a whole bunch of things going on that I don't even know what happened. And Greg came home with left with the Pontiac in the trailer and came home with that 70-ish Camaro, and it's a 396 in that car, caged. It looks like a pretty nice piece. I tried not to look too close because I got enough going on. I don't need to own another car right now. Anyways, I am working on a door debacle for the 55. So I'm going to get back at that. And thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. And if you are in the Kawartha Lakes area and you need any service on your classic car, your sports car, your regular cars, whatever you need, check out classicautorepair.com. They're just outside of Lindsay, Ontario.